Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm excited to have you here today, where we take a closer look at products that can make your daily life easier or elevate your beauty routine. Today's review is all about the earwax removal tool camera. This innovative tool combines the convenience of a camera with a cleaning device, promising to make earwax removal easier and more precise. Let's dive right in and see if it lives up to the hype. The earwax removal tool camera is equipped with a 1080p HD camera and bright LED lights designed to provide a clear view of your ear canal. This allows you to effectively inspect and remove earwax with precision, making it easier to perform the task safely and comfortably. It's equipped with a 4-in-1 ear spoon design, improving on previous models by ensuring the camera and the ear scoop are firmly fixed together. No more worrying about scoops falling off. Another notable feature is its compatibility with both iOS and Android devices via the Solier app, giving you seamless connectivity to start using the tool. It's also versatile enough for use beyond earwax removal, such as checking teeth, nasal cavities, and even your scalp, though it's not recommended for children or pets. In terms of ease of use, the setup process is pretty straightforward. Simply scan the QR code to download the app, connect the tool via Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. The tool also has a button to turn it on and off with just a couple of seconds of pressing. I found that using the camera to look inside the ear canal was quite helpful, especially with the LED lights illuminating the dark interior. However, it's important to note that it takes a little getting used to. The first time you use it, the sensation of the tool in your ear canal might feel a bit strange, so it's essential to go slow and gentle during the process. Now let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, the 1080p HD camera provides clear visuals, which is great for pinpointing areas where wax is accumulating. The LED light adds extra visibility, which is key when you're dealing with something as intricate as the inner ear. The all-in-one ear spoon design is a big win because it eliminates the hassle of worrying about parts detaching during use. The versatility of the tool also stands out. It's not just for earwax, which makes it a more valuable investment. However, it's not without drawbacks. The app, while easy to set up, may be a bit tricky to navigate for some users, especially those who aren't as familiar with tech. Also, while the tool works well for adults, the instructions clearly advise against using it on children or pets, which could be limiting for some families. Additionally, the device requires a stable Wi-Fi connection, and there may be occasional connectivity issues, particularly when trying to sync the app with the camera. In terms of value for money, the price point seems justified when you consider the clarity of the camera, the sturdy build of the tool, and the inclusion of several ear scoops and accessories. It may not be the cheapest option on the market, but it does provide decent quality for the price. Compared to other earwax removal kits, this device stands out with its camera integration, which many of its competitors lack. Some simpler ear scoop sets might do the job for less money, but if you're looking for precision and added features, this product is worth considering. When it comes to build quality, the tool feels solid and well made. The camera is responsive, and the ear spoons are easy to attach and detach. As far as longevity goes, I haven't had it long enough to comment on long-term durability, but based on the quality of materials used, it seems built to last with proper care. As for customer support, there hasn't been any need for me to reach out, but the product does come with a detailed manual, and the brand is fairly well regarded for offering solid support when needed. Given its reputation, you can reasonably expect assistance if necessary. In conclusion, the earwax removal tool camera is a well-designed, functional product that provides clear visuals for a more precise and effective earwax removal experience. While it may take some getting used to, its performance and build quality are solid, and the versatility it offers is impressive. If you're in the market for a more advanced ear cleaning tool with a camera, this could be a good option for you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic for more reviews, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for joining me today. You can find a link to get your own earwax removal tool camera in the comments below. If you've already tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have about the product. Until next time, Stay tuned for more reviews and keep it clean with Beautyistic.